Everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Dollar Tree heart wreath. So I grabbed some of those decorate your own hearts at Dollar Tree. You'll need 8 of them. They're just the wooden thin hearts. I took a piece of foam board and cut a circle out of it. Don't laugh, I know it looks horrible, but you're not going to see it. Some of these little roses from Hobby Lobby, and they're in the spring section. 4 different kinds of coordinating scrapbook paper that I also got at Hobby Lobby. You'll need Mod Podge too. So I took my hearts and I did 2 on each one of the scrapbook paper because there's 8. So I did 2 on each different scrapbook paper. Then I cut them all out. And here they are all cut. Now it's time to Mod Podge them on. And I didn't paint the hearts or anything. I liked the darker edge that was already on the wood, so I just left that. And now they're all Mod Podged. Next, I took a sanding block from Dollar Tree and I just sanded off the excess around the edges of every one of the hearts. Next, I used the foam board circle that I made, and I'm going to glue down the ones that I want on the bottom half. So you'll understand what I mean in a minute. So I staggered them away from each other, and I tried to keep a pattern of, the different designs that I used. So now I have 4 of them on there, so I have 4 left. And these are the underneath ones. The next ones are going to overlap on the top of those. Then I overlapped that one. And I just tried to make sure I kept them in the circle. And it's time to add my last one. And there we have our wreath form. And I love how the papers are all different, but they all coordinate with each other. And they all kind of pop in their own way. Next, I took some ribbon and just made it into a loop and then hot glued it to the back of the very top of the wreath in the center of the very top heart. And then I just trimmed off the excess. And then I took some hot glue and glued my one single rose at the top. I kept this very simple and sweet because the paper is already very, very busy, so I didn't want to add a bow or anything. I think it's perfect just the way it is. I adore the way this came out. It has like a shabby chic Victorian vibe. It can be left out all year long or used for just Valentine's Day. That's totally up to you. I hope this inspires you to make one. And thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to sprinkle.